what do you have to say about it when people tell you, oh, you're just a housewife, so what?
But trust me, being a housewife is the biggest role. It's the biggest role because it is a full time involvement.
There's another passion of yours that is crazy, and we all think that you've gone mad behind it. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my very first podcast episode. What's your issue with issue? So, today we have someone who is a very special guest. She is my absolute favorite, or at least I have to say that if I have to get my dinner tonight. Just kidding. I really love her. She's someone who does all her duties on time. I've never seen a person so involved in all her duties. She's someone who's so selfless all the time. So, presenting to you none other than the mother of them all, my mother dearest, Ranjita Sandeep Gotawat. Hi, Mama.
Hi, Ish.
Are you happy to be here?
Yes, I'm happy, but I'm nervous as well because I can't speak much.
Yeah,
And
I,
I have a fear of a camera. So it's okay, but I'm loving the way you're asking me. We'll get time to spend with each other.
I think so.
Yes.
And I think you're not nervous at all because you're the one talking in the house all the time. So I
That's
think
because I always rule the house. I'm a queen here, but
okay. So coming to ruling the house,
okay.
you've played your duty as a housewife, as a homemaker so well. But we have so many people who look upon housewives as just housewives. So they think that, if you're a housewife, it's nothing great. You're just doing normal stuff. So what do you have to say about it when people tell you, oh, you're just a housewife, so what?
I know, but trust me, being a housewife is the biggest role. It's a biggest role because it is a full time involvement. It is the whole day you're running here and there. It's the toughest and the very, I would say, I'm on my toes the whole day. So I'm running around when my husband in the morning, if he leaves without breakfast, you know how it is. So I'm just all the time worried. My daughter, did she eat her badam or not? My son, did he eat his breakfast and go to the college? So it's not easy at all because I don't know. You really get tired, exhausted, but it's a very different pleasure. For me, I feel I'm very happy if my duties are done properly. If my family people, be it my daughter, be it my husband, be it my son, if they've all done properly, they've eaten and they've gone for the work or wherever, I feel I'm very content. And trust me, I'm very happy being a housewife. People would definitely come up to me and they tell me, you're just a housewife. What do you do the whole day? Trust me, Ishq, you have seen me running around.
Yeah,
There
yeah.
is no time. I mean, I don't know where my day goes. So my morning is you people, my night is you people. It's just full
And I
time
think,
job.
yeah, and I think you are happy with it. You're not doing it out of compulsion that, somebody's forced you to take care
No,
of the
no,
house.
definitely not. I'm loving it. It's a
Yeah.
different pleasure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think, Mama, like the people who know you, they also know that you are so involved in fashion. You've done fashion designing. You
Yes,
have
of
your own
course.
brand, which is Maisa, which you are not working now, of course. But if given a chance and you wanted to pursue that as your career and become a full-time career woman, would you do it? And if not, then why? Why not?
See, I mean, of course, fashion has always been my passion. I just love fashion. I just love to dress up, just get out,
Yeah, I
get
know.
ready. That's my first love, definitely. But yes, when you're saying if I would have chosen as a career, first thing was I was in a joint family, so could not give much time to that because you know how it is when you're newly married, you want to first accept the family because it was a different atmosphere there. Then you come here, it's a very different atmosphere, and then you and Daksh were quite small for me to start with. So for me, I feel no, this was more priority for me, looking after my kids, my family. So, but I wouldn't say that I did not give importance to my passion, which is fashion. I keep doing pop ups so that my hobby is also involved. And, I feel good about it. So, my career is still going on, I would say. And definitely being a housewife is the best career which I could choose. I personally feel. So
Okay.
I haven't given fashion, say my career still is still continuing with small pop ups. Like I help you and
Yeah.
Sandeep with the jewelry exhibitions and all. Yeah.
Yeah. So now if I, ask you to open your own boutique and work full time, would you want that or no?
Of course not. I need to enjoy life. I'm meant to enjoy life. Now, if anybody is giving me a chance or you tell me to work, I cannot because I think I'm
Yeah.
not meant to work. I'm
Yeah, and I
meant to
think you're
enjoy
happy,
life.
like you just
Of
love
course,
taking
of
care of
course,
the house
of
and
course, of course. Yes, yes,
yeah,
yes. It's a pleasure.
yeah.
It's definitely a pleasure.
Of
Yes.
course. So, like, this is your passion, of course, which is fashion, we all know. But there's another passion of yours that is crazy, and we all think that you've gone mad behind it, which is your gymming, which
Oh,
is your fitness.
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So, everybody who meets you, they're like, oh my God, Ranjita, you've lost so much weight. How much more weight can you lose? Like, people know you as someone, they worship you as someone who's into fitness all the time. So what motivated you to continue and be into gymming so much? Was it like your passion again, or it was just because you wanted to look young and among the Gen Z?
Of course, that's one of the thing I would say because any woman would always want to look young and just flaunt herself. But definitely, I was very huge. So I always have that fear in me that I will get back to my 95, 96 kg. With great difficulty, I've come to 55 now.
Yeah.
So I always have that fear. So that's the thing which keeps motivating me, keeps pushing me to do my morning duties. So the day I miss my gym, my family is gone for a toss.
Of course, we know that.
So they have a bad day. So rather they just push me or let me go and finish my gym workout and everything. Yeah.
Yeah, so
So
Mama, when you were like very huge, was it very difficult for you to like accept yourself in the mirror, or was it like, people were around you made you feel really bad about your body weight or
no, 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 no. I
no?
was very confident. Whatever I was, I was killing it. People would come and compliment me on my clothing, the way
Really?
you carry. We love it. Trust me, I'm not lying, but that's true. So
Yeah.
it's not the people with whom I was influenced or something. After my son was born, I mean, suddenly after 6, 7 months, it hit me. When I look at myself in the mirror, it's like, no, this is not the way. And especially when it comes to clothing, as it's my
Yeah.
passion.
Yeah.
So I would wear anything and it would look so bad on me. So that's one of the kick which just kicked me. No, Ranjita, that's not you.
Of
So
course.
that's how I kept going and till today,
Yeah.
touch wood. I mean, I have that fear. So that's the passion. That's the, I get carried away with, no, no, I don't want to go
Yeah.
to my weight again. So I just want to continue that way. And I definitely feel proud of myself.
Of course, I think the one thing that I have learned from you is confidence.
Yes.
And it has a lot to do with your gymming, I think, because
Yes.
now that you're in the kind of body that you want to be, you are confidence into 100. Before you were a good 90, but now it's like
Okay,
above
but
that.
it's quite tough. It's not easy, Ishq. You know it.
Yeah, of course. I
Yeah.
mean, weighing so much and then losing so much weight is never easy. And hats off that you've done such a good job. And
Yes.
you don't look like my mother. And sometimes people tell me that,
Yeah, of
oh, that's
course.
your sister next to you. And
Yeah,
I'm like,
and I feel so good. Trust me. I feel they're all my favorite who says that, It's the best compliments which I ever receive.
of
And I
course.
love you, babes. You know
I
it.
love you too. Okay, moving on. So Mama, today, like in today's generation, like you ask me or anybody who are my friends, we will tell you that you got married when you were 22.
Yes.
And now, if you think about me getting married, I'm 22 now, and I don't think I see myself getting married anytime soon. So, what do you think that when girls necessarily postpone getting married because of achieving something in their life, is that the right way of looking at it? That you neglect your marriage because of your career, or would you
No.
want the girls to get married earlier? How is it?
See, from my point of view, definitely it is nothing that after marriage you can't pursue your career. Of course you can, because now the time has changed. Ishq. Like our time, of course, little bit here and there, we were not so outspoken. I mean, there was things were different, or you all know it. But definitely, I think with your career, you can be an amazing housewife. It is very easy. It's just how you take it. You have to just be positive. And I feel the girls, young girls today, 24 to 26 is the best and a good age to get married. That's what I feel. I don't know about other point of view because the early you get married, not about early, I don't mean to say that you get married when you're 22 or something or 20 or something. No. But yes, after 24 to 26 is the best age to get married because you have a good understanding with your would be husband or whatever. And then nowadays it is so difficult. What happens is girls get married at a late age and then they don't conceive. Then it's difficult for them to get pregnant. And there are a lot of issues.
Yeah.
So I think it's the best to get married at an early age. You can pursue your career as well. I mean, nowadays there are people who are, looking after their work and they're looking after their house.
Of course.
We women's are so strong. I mean, we are
Yes.
the strongest. We have so much in us. We can be multitask. We can work. We can look after the house. So this is a very bad. I would say, I wouldn't say bad, but it's a very negative thought which people think that you're working and you can't look after the house. It's nothing like that. You
Okay.
can definitely balance, and yes, it's definitely good to get married at a uh,
Early age.
early age so that everything sets in a place on a
Yeah,
time,
and like
and you're young enough to look after the kids, to give them time, to spend everything. I feel that's
yeah.
what my
So now, like, if you have girls who are not, maybe, they're not very career oriented, and they just, there are a lot of girls who prefer to just sit at home and take care of their family. But I feel like now in my generation, there's this pressure to prove with, I think, the social media and everything, that every girl just wants to prove that, she's working and she's the boss. And it's sort of a peer pressure. So when a girl, like, suppose if I don't want to work and I just want to stay at home, when I look at my friends doing something, I'm like, oh, I'm just at home. I'm just a housewife. I don't want to do that. So, what do you think has to change with that thinking process?
That thinking process, all I would say is just be positive. You don't have to be so negative thinking about all that. See, the best thing is you can feel good when you're sitting at home.
Yeah.
You can feel good looking after the house. Being the housewife, that's what I try to say. It's okay if you're a housewife, it's not necessary that you have to feel bad or feel sad about it. It's
Yeah.
the you being a housewife, you can pamper yourself. Self care, that is very important. It's
Yeah.
even if you're a housewife, you have to self care yourself. You have to look after your fitness level, everything.
Yeah.
You have to balance everything. It is, I feel, what the question you've asked me, it's all a thought process.
Correct.
It's
It's
just a
all
thought
in the
process,
mind.
all in the mind.
Okay, so since Mo by Manpasand has been sponsoring our jewelry, so
Okay.
I think like gold is comes in various forms. Like gold can be a gold bar, it can be a gold coin. There are gold necklaces, gold chains. So gold has so many characteristics and it can take so many roles.
Okay.
So in your life, what roles have you shifted from one to another? Maybe, whatever roles you've been through in your life, how have you tackled all the roles together? Because I'm sure it's not easy being a mother, a wife, and all that. So how did you tackle everything?
It was not easy for me to tackle all these roles as it came into my life. I've been married for 24 years now. So when I got married, I mean, of course, everything has changed. I become a wife. So to become a wife, you know how it is, and especially with your dad. He's not an easy man at all. It's a
So
difficult
sad.
task
I
to
love you,
deal with
Papa.
him. It's okay. So as a wife, I think I'm playing a fantastic job.
Of
I
course.
think that's what I feel. So then I became a mother of kids, which is, sacrifice for your kids. You want to do everything for them. You want to give them best. So again, that takes a lot of efforts, which is definitely a pleasure. I mean, I love everything, whatever I do for you people. Trust me.
How
And then you become a I mean,
daughter-in-law.
daughter-in-law, sister-in-law. So there are a lot of roles. So as you grow, as you move on, you just become stronger. Your relationship becomes stronger. So I have always been a very family-oriented girl, and
Okay.
I feel it's sabko leke chalo, sabke saath
Makes sense.
milke chalo. So I feel it wasn't that difficult for me initially. Yes, it was, but then as I accepted the atmosphere, the environment. सबको साथ में लेके चलना है, सबके साथ में हिल मिल के रहना है. So it became very easy for me.
And like
So
you came from a family which was quite the opposite
of
of a
course,
joint
yes,
family.
yes, yes.
Like you came from a family where everything was given to you in a golden platter.
Yeah, I've always been a spoilt brat for that matter.
Okay.
So I was like, you know
So
how I've been. I don't have to say that.
yeah, so when
Yes.
you've come into this family, which was a huge family, it was a
Oh,
joint family.
yes.
Initially, you were the only daughter-in-law, and then there were many others who came in. So, how did you tackle being in this family and doing so much for them? Was it a very difficult thing to manage such a big family, or you loved it?
The only answer for this, I would say, is with lot of love, with lot of respect. I could earn it, and I just moved on in life. Yeah, definitely there was a big support of my in-laws who
Yeah.
always stood beside me. So they were so loving, so loving. They never asked for anything. So that just made me move on in life. That's what I feel.
That's so
Yeah. So my
nice.
answer would be only love about this. Yes.
Yeah.
Lots of love and lots of care.
Yes.
And you reach wherever you want to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so Mama, I think like, being a housewife, you also have a really happening social life.
Of
You
course.
never miss out on any dinner or any party that's happening. So I think that's also not easy to handle your social life
Of
and
course,
your
of course,
duties.
of course. Though I'm running whole day on my toes here and there, looking after maids, looking after you people, looking after entire managing house, but I don't miss on my Instagram, which is my favorite. I don't miss on my parties though. I
Yeah.
don't miss on pampering myself. So of course, I manage everything. That's how you should balance life, I feel.
Yeah, and I think like
So
without you in the house, I don't think anything would be
yes,
fine.
that's what. That's what. So if I'm not there one day, your pa would say, Sonu, where's my towel? And you would say, Mama, mera wo top or tracks kahan hai? And again, then in the last, you know how Daksh, Mama, why did you put my gym wear for wash? So, you know, it is.
Yeah, I think we can't function without
But I
you.
love you guys. And trust me, I really enjoy being a housewife.
I think
That.
it takes a lot of sacrifice from you, and I've never.
No, 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 no. I don't sacrifice on anything.
Mama, I was not going to say
Okay.
sacrifice as in you're
Okay.
roaming around. I was saying sacrifice as in a person. Like
Of course.
you, when you suppose you want to eat something in lunch, you don't make that. But
No,
when
I
Daksh
don't.
wants
Yes.
to eat something, you will make that first.
Yes,
So
this definitely, you know, I would say I've learned from my mother-in-law.
okay,
So she's always been like this. She would go out of the way to do anything to make cook for us. So
yeah,
what you see, you learn that. You
learn.
know, that's
Correct.
what I feel.
Yeah, but I think being a housewife is a fantastic job,
It
and
is
I think
amazing.
the ladies and the girls doing it have to be, given more respect than
Of course,
they
yes.
do because people just look upon you as a housewife, and
I
it's
know
just,
there are many people who come and tell me you're just a housewife, you're not working. I'm like, please, this is the biggest work. This is
yeah,
the biggest job. It's not easy.
of course it's not, and we love you for it because,
I love you guys too.
yeah. Okay, so now let's do something fun. Like
Okay.
our next segment is where I'm gonna ask you a few questions. It's
Don't
something
make
like
me scared now,
no,
Rish.
you
What
just have to
questions
be
you're gonna ask
honest.
now?
It's funny. I mean,
Okay.
it's fun.
Okay, okay,
Okay, and I'm sure
okay,
you know the answers. I hope you do. Otherwise, your family is going to be upset.
okay, 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 okay.
Okay, so the first one. How many spoons of sugar does Papa have in his tea?
2 spoons. But if given a chance, he would ask for three, but he's scared of me. So two, yes.
You can't rule his number of sugars he
I have to
wants.
take care of his health, babes. Of course I do.
Okay, next one. If you made lasagna at home, will Daksh, option one, eat at home, eat outside and eat at home?
No, for lasagna, definitely he would have to eat at home because it's his favorite.
I think he would eat outside
No,
and eat
no,
at
he
home.
doesn't. When it comes to lasagna,
Don't
he is.
defend your son all the
I
time.
love him, of course. He would eat at home, definitely. Yes.
If you say so.
Yes.
You have cooked at home, and I call and I tell you I'm eating outside. What would your reaction
I would chop you into pieces. It takes a lot of efforts for me to cook and keep it for you. And if I receive a call saying that, Mama, I'm not going to eat, I will chop you. And you're going to have a tough
be?
day.
Yeah, I've
Think
already
about it.
had those experiences where I'm like, oh, Mama, I'm going out. And you're like, Ishika.
Of course.
Okay. Next time I will keep it in mind not to do it. I will
Please,
inform you.
yes. It's better, you know.
Of
Better do that.
Okay. If you and Papa have to go out at 9, say, and what time do you think you will be ready? Option 1, 9 o'clock,
No
9:30,
chance.
11:45, 10.
11:45.
You're
I
saying
usually
it.
take
You
long
are
time to
saying
get
it
ready.
with so much
And that's where we
confidence.
both end up fighting, you know.
Yeah,
Because I'm
obviously,
never ready on.
Mama. I
I
mean,
do take time to get ready. He should understand. It's been 24 years we are married. He should understand that she takes time. Okay, fine. He loses his
I think at
patience.
this point he tells you to get ready 2 hours before the actual time, so you're ready by then.
So, but even I'm like that, you know. Now we are used to each other.
Okay, so when Daksh and I were babies, who would you trust to take care of us the most? Papa, Dadi, or Dada?
Papa, no chance. Dada
My
also, I
father
don't
is not
think
capable,
so.
only she
No,
said.
he is capable, but because we were with so many of them in the house, so Papa never got a chance to keep my kids. Definitely, I would trust my mother-in-law.
Dadi.
Yes,
Yeah.
Dadi, because she is my biggest strength, my biggest pillar of support in
Yeah.
everything I do.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Rate your daughter's fashion sense out of 10.
I'll be honest.
What?
I would 6 to 7, not more than that.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You can't, Mummy, what do you mean 6 to 7?
Because I think when it comes to dressing sense, I'm more better than you. I feel that.
How can you say? You can't say that about your own
That's true. I
daughter.
asked you, should I honestly answer or what? You said yes, Mama. So I would give you 6 or 7. Still till today, Mama, what do I wear? I'm going for a party. So my sense is better, babes. You're 6 to 7, yeah.
Okay, I think whatever. Now, last question. I don't
Okay.
know if you'll be true about this, but you have to since you know you're on camera. So just be true.
Okay.
Which kid do you love the most, me or Daksh?
Uh,
You ever be true? You
this answer, I don't know what to answer for this question. For a mother, both the kids are equal,
That's,
definitely.
oh my God,
I
that's
love
such
both my
lying.
kids a lot, a lot. I mean, I can't imagine my life without you guys.
Okay. I think thank you. This game was a
Okay.
lot of fun and it was so nice talking to you, Mama. And I've always looked up to you, how you handle the house, how you handle the family, and how you handle everything so flawlessly. And you're my role model when it comes to handling the house and everything.
Love you.
So
Thank
thank you
you.
so much for being such an amazing housewife because
Thank you, Ish.
I
Thank you
would
so
have you no
much.
other way. Thank you guys for watching this episode of What's Your Issue with Issue. For more such interesting videos, and we have so many more guests coming, so please follow us on YouTube, subscribe to our channel. Also, follow us on Instagram, Mo by Manpasand, What's Your Issue by Issue. And we will see you with yet another amazing episode very soon. Stay tuned. Thank you.